What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Limitless V2 8S. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a speed test. I'm going to start off on 6S. I'm going to let y'all see what I got inside. I got the Mamba XL2 8S ESC, and I got a 1717 1650 kV motor running a 26 pinion and whatever spur gear. Not spur gear, actually it's a spool, but this run a spool. Yes, this is my first time out with it. Well, not really, I tested it a little bit, but this is my first speed test. Let's get into it. Yeah, I gotta warm these tires up first. Oh yeah, this is not meant for that. I'm not gonna really be able to do too much. Oh yeah, she gonna be flying. She definitely gonna fly. Alright, this is my first pass. Kind of want the batteries to warm up a little bit. I'm using a Sandwine radio and receiver. I want to see how this is gonna work. Oh yeah, this is not enough room. This is only 6S. Yeah, but she is straight. She is straight. All right, let me check that speed real quick. Okay, I didn't start it. Now I started it. If I say they had to be around 70. Yeah, that was a bad pass. I only can get full throttle for like not even a second. All right, now let's check that speed. Let's see. $78 miles an hour, not bad. Almost 80. 80. I'm gonna try a couple more passes. I'm gonna just do like one more. $78. So I know I can get 80. Yeah, full throttle is not happening. Full throttle. And the battery died on me. Alright. Battery died on me though. I want to see what speeds I got out of that. hope y'all can see that, but I'm gonna put it in the screen. Only 73. Not bad though. 73 is not bad. All zeroed out again. What I'm gonna do is, this is 6S. I might be a little too much, but I'm going to throw 8S in there. I got that 8S in there. Let me mess with this trim. $8S pass. I'm only gonna do like 2 because this yard is not big enough. Whoa. Whoa. The thing, no, it's gonna be the problem. It's gonna be my my plugs for the battery. All right, let me go all the way down. Stop playing around. All right, let me see what that speed was. And by the way, I am not doing one-handed driving today. I'm using both hands. 73. Whoa, on 8S. Yeah, it's my plugs. Definitely my plugs. I noticed it wasn't doing nothing. All right, let's try it again. I did feel that. It was like pushing more on 8S. I mean 6S. I better come back. I seen that coming. It would not break. Let's see what damages I did. Hopefully I ain't scratch her up too bad. See what I did. Oh God, we scratched her up. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I better stop though. Let me check that speed. I'll say a little bit over 70. Yeah, we got 78 that time. Need more room. Need more room. Not bad. Body ain't damaged too bad. Oh, beast. Y'all know I ain't no speed guy though, but what happened? This is not a Banshee though. This is a straight speed car, which I know how I do. I'm gonna do a little bit of drifting here and then call it a day. would smoke the tires, but I'm too broke for that. All right, let me stop. Yeah, this thing handled it. I just gotta work on my gotta work on the gearing and the power supply, like the cords to hook up the battery, because I can feel it's not pulling the power, like not putting power to it like it's supposed to. On 8S, on 6S I got like high 70s, and on 8S I got high 70s. You figure I should have had on 8S 90 plus. What I want to do now, I want to check the temps. This thing is a little smoky here. I don't know if you can see that. 129 on the motor. Not bad. And 106 on the ESC. It's a little hot there, but you realize I was doing back-to-back speed runs. What the batteries got. 100 on the batteries. $130 on this battery. Yeah, the batteries is hot. One is not hot, one is hot. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Leave a comment below. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.